Hi, Dr. Usko. I'm Banu Maddineni from Team 2. Today I'll be discussing in this video about Part 2-1 Lab Practical, Variant 2. These are the contents I'll be discussing today. First, we need to navigate to the playground server in order to continue with this lab. I'll just copy this link and navigate. I'll open Google Chrome, paste the copied link here. The system says the username already exists on the server. So I can just click on reset password to regenerate the username and password again. So I'll just use this password now. A username automatically pops up. So I'll just copy the password. And paste. Go. So this is how PHP MyAdmin homepage looks like. Here this is the database in the PHP MyAdmin server. We can see all the list of databases here. So far we only have got 2. These are the tables I have created for the lab practical courses, majors, students, and terms. I'll be discussing about these in detail. Going back to the presentation. So I'll just I clicked on the link and I access the playground server. And these are the steps which we have done now. So this is the home page of PHP MyAdmin tool. Here we need to click on the current database to view all the list of the tables in this database. When I clicked on this, these are the list of tables popped up here: courses, majors, students, and terms. If you want to add any columns to this particular table, I just need to select the table, click on the table, and go to structure, and we can edit the columns here. I can even drop the columns here by clicking on this option. If I want to add more columns, I'll just click on go. So here I can add any new column which I want, and the data type, and then I'll just click on save. Clicking on save will add new column to this courses table. This is how columns are added to the tables. The same way, if I want to add a column to the majors table, I'll click on majors. I'll go to structure. These are the existing columns. I'll just click on go, and I'll write the name of the column which I want to be added. Select the data type, and then I'll click on save. This will add new column to the majors table. Clicking on the students table, these are all the list of students I have added. This is just the dummy data. The same way in the terms table, I have taken 3 columns for this table: the name, term ID, year. This slide shows the courses table and its columns that I have shown here. If I click on courses table, these are the columns of the table and the related data: the course department, course section, course number, and which term that course is available, and the name of the course. And the next slide is terms table and its columns. Here I'm just displaying the terms table. what all data I've inserted in the table and what are the columns here: name, term ID, and year. The same way, the next slide shows the data from the majors table and their columns. The majors table has two columns, its ID and name. And next, coming to the students table, I'll click on students table. Students table has 6 columns in total: BUID, the student name, student's email ID, their corresponding contact number, and which term they are getting into and what are the courses they are picking. We can even filter this data using this filter row option. Like for example, if I want to see uh, fall term students here, I'll just type fall here. If I want to see students with Agile course, I'll click on Agile. This automatically filters the data in the table. This is how tables are created and done. Coming to the lab practical, the first goal is to display all courses with course number and name attributes in the current database. In order to achieve this, we just need to go to courses table, click on the courses table. Here already, if we see the query obtained here, it is select star from courses. Whenever we click on a table, the query automatically runs the star from courses. This means that we are fetching the data from courses table. Star indicates it is the whole data is fetched from the courses table. Select star from courses. And our next goal is to select a term and display all courses offered during this term. For that, we need to run this query. For that, we need to write the query. I'll click on courses table, go to SQL, select star from courses. Where term equal to fall 2023. Click on go. Here it is showing courses in fall 2023, the course department, the course ID, and the name of the course. The same way, we need to select a term and select a course and display all the students enrolled into the course. For that, this is the query. I'll just take the query from here. SQL. And click on go. Here, this is showing the data students from the table where course is who selected course Agile and they are in spring term, spring 2023. Now remotely we need to add one more course to your database. For that we just need to use the insert into query. Using this query we can insert values into the table. In the next slide, we'll be looking into how we remotely remove a selected course from your database. For that, we just need to use this query delete from courses where particular whatever course we want to remove, we just need to use the ID. And this is how the table would look after deleting that corresponding data. Thank you for listening.